Yo, I wanna share something. It arrived. Something I ordered arrived. Bago lang ako naging fan ng Blackpink.
Oh my god.
I think it's parang 3 weeks pa lang or like a month. Pero bago lang ako naging Blink. But anyway, so yun. I just wanna share you guys what arrived. Syempre, I got this. Woo! From Omotown. It arrived. So yeah, there it is. It says, Gats, thank you for your purchase. Please continue supporting small businesses. Love, Omotown. So yan, here it is. So I will unbox this for you. So quick lang siya, pero grabe ko ka-excited guys kay money akong first ever Blackpink merch. So again, thank you Omotown. There. Okay. Dun. So ito siya. Ayan, lagay ko na lang yung GoPro sa harap ko. Ganyan na lang. Ayan. So this is it. It's the official light stick. So I will unbox it. Here are words in Korean. Actually, meron. There's a user guide. Anong tawag ng hammer nila? May tawag sila eh. It's Blackpink ice cream. Oh my gosh. Guys, sorry guys. Sobrang Jennie fan ako. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Kung nagfa-fan. It's my first. Thank you, Omotown. You can see my face right now, bro. Here's another one. Hi, BB. And then, how you like that? So, these are cards, I think. Hindi naman random. They're all Jenny. And I think, alam kasi ng Omotown na bias ko si Jenny. So, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm really happy. Thank you. So, yeah. Yan. The box aside. Whoa. Here's the hammer. Bro, look. And that's my dog. I'm contemplating on dipping his tail pink para Blackpink na rin si Bandit. But yeah, so that's ganyan. This is
Hit you with the
Bro. Woo. Bro. So guys, thank you for watching my very short unboxing. Sorry, sobrang happy ko. I'm a hardcore Blink bro. So again, thank you guys so much. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll try to update more siguro. I think I'm still thinking about it, but I just had to make a vlog about this. Kahit super short lang. So yeah. Again, thank you guys so much. I'm so happy. Thank you Omotown for this. I know may items pa. I know. And I'm excited. I can't wait. Actually, kung sino man may-ari ng Omo Town, feeling ko alam niya talaga hardcore Jenny bias ako. Sa lahat ng mga request ko. But anyway, again guys, see you soon. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Peace. Wait. Peace. Ow!